Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern from Modern Salon. I'm here with Jaclyn Hendrickson from Novak Hair Studios in Fort Worth, Texas. And we're here at Artist Session, and she is doing the coolest thing. She is showing how to get maximum volume and movement in the hair using a curling iron. So tell us what one needs to do.
Okay, well first I have bricklayed these sections, and then I'm going to take my section and over direct it so that I can start the curl on base. I like to slide it over the hair just to smooth it out a little bit. And then get there.
So is the size of the iron important?
It is. It depends on what type of curl you're hoping to get once you comb it out, what the hair texture and type is, if it'll hold the curl very well or not. Since I've never worked with her, I'm going to go with a little bit of a tighter curl. That way when I brush it out, if it is not curly enough, then I can always flatten it out a little bit, smooth it out. But if it doesn't hold the curl, then I won't have to go over and do it again.
Okay, so they're pretty much smaller sections. You elevate, you pull straight out. Do you have any heat protectant on? I'm going to move her around so we can see this.
I do.
What do you use?
I used a heat protective treatment, just a leave-in smoothing cream that had a heat protectant in it as well. And then I also used an oil. So I like to really protect the hair when I'm using that much heat.
And you can shout out what line did you use?
I used KMS.
Okay. Oh, KMS, perfect. We're here. We're here at the KMS studio.
Yes, and I do love that line. So.
Okay, perfect. And then you used a Hot Tools iron. I want to point out that this is a Marcel iron, and a Marcel, for those of you who don't know, it's with the bar across, and that's a real professional iron. Could you get the same effect if it was called a spring?
Absolutely, absolutely. Same size iron, it's the same thing. It's a little bit of a different method. Makes it easier for us to curl starting on the base, and you can slowly let out. With the spring, it's a little bit harder, a little more jumpy.
All right, show how you hold that. That's very interesting. For those of you,
this is the right way, but this is what's comfortable to me.
That's what works for you. So.
Yes.
So this is great. I can't wait to see the finished result. Thank you so much. Thank you, Hot Tools, for sending us the irons, and I can't wait to see the finished look. It's great.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.